Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla S Plus. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, and integrated turn signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. Its sensible blend of fuel economy features, versatility, and value make it a compelling choice for small sedan shoppers. This Corolla has 17-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low-pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has auto-off, projector beam daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice black grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine with a variable transmission. This Corolla has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 32 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corolla has only 59,432 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla you can see the sporty lip spoiler, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest and the cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable sport fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and in-dash storage. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.